different
like
blank. Hold on.
But the
Fabian, hold on. Fabian, hold on. We have another follow-up question. Hold on, my boss. You just answer the question and say, all right, muffler pop up. Did you check back with the office or whomever you submitted to ask what is the follow-up? What is the update? Did you check back with them? Then
no,
Fabian,
we not check back, but what me I give answer. Me never check our office. But we don't call it the
check back.
Area leader. Then
We not run area leader business, brother. We not do area leader. We don't want to hear about no area leader.
No, man.
We have MP and we have councillor.
We don't want them in Fabian.
I caretaker councillor.
Well, you have to come on.
Nolly.
Man, you shut the background, nice, Papa.
For the ground.
Fabian, listen to me.
Okay. Yeah.
You see on them platform, yeah? I treat on the platform, we respect the police, and we respect the party. We don't respect no area leader. You understand me? I said to you? We don't want you come here to come talk about the area leader, brethren.
Yeah, man. Yeah. When we say area leader, don't get it wrong, you know. And no matter of say
words.
I don't know, violent thing
words can't.
No, don't get
no, well on it. But Fabian.
When we say area leader.
Well on it, Fabian.
Listen.
Fabian.
But understand what I'm saying.
Fabian.
Yeah.
Fabian, Nally. Fabian, Nally. Listen me. You see what you say a while ago. The thing that you should do. Reach out to Miss. Who is the next caretaker council? Oh, you and her. Miss Margie.
Nally,
Mr. Nally.
Do a follow.
Nally, you know, sir. Jaden, if you don't listen to Fabian, you know, so when Fabian muffler pop off, in a Miss Marjorie election. Fabian muffler pop off.
But
what I feel your muffler, Miss Marjorie wants to me don't know what Marjorie do. You me about Miss Marjorie, me don't live in Jamaica. Me a fight for Jamaica. Me know how she good the 10 months where she in a power for before she passed away. And you have that good counselor lady and you have a cost muffler. Come on, virgin. Do better than that. Because you know, so that's why I come over. Listen. You know, so me hear your argument. I mean, me say, you know what? Me not gonna deal with you. Me make somebody come to Jaden. For Jaden, listen and come on the platform. Because me come on the platform, you know, and the first thing me ask you, know, which side you depend?
Me text you. I chat too, but not so straightforward, but
no, I see your message.
Man.
Ask him in a message. You ask him why you ask that message. No, Jaden texted in the chat and asked, why would you ask that? Jaden and Nally, deal with me, man. Me I work with them.
Anglo business, man. But Fabian, you what me I say to you, hold on the Nally, because me not like where this a go. And you see when you mention something about you not go tell nobody if you vote again. It simply means that you don't care whether your party win or lose. Well, on Papa, let me finish. Finish. Because, as I said before, I listen to your reasoning for a minute. And I don't like how this sound. You see, when you have personal growth with a councillor or MP, you take it up with the councillor or MP. Whether you can do it in the office or from a phone call. Don't come on none of these platforms, right, to say whatever is on your mind. because at the end of the day, the councillor or the MP is not here listening. And if that incident happened a while back now, right? You should have that responsibility is upon you
2
to
years
check that
ago.
because
2 years ago,
because
Jaden.
the number
February
one
gone.
reason, yeah, the number one reason is that the person who you were working for at that time passed away. Now new persons are in the office. You need to follow up with them, Papa. Don't come here and spread discord among MPs and councillors. I will not have it. I will not have it, my friend. Yes, you're a little right.
So let me ask you a question anymore. Let me ask you a question. For me to say I'm not going to work anymore. But
You feel work,
he
man.
sure my vote.
Fabian,
Fabian,
nobody is telling you to go around and
that
drive.
is propaganda.
I'm answering you. I'm answering
No,
you.
ask you a question.
Nobody is
You ask
telling
me a
you to go
question.
around and drive, right? Nobody is telling you to go and run up and down. But you can talk to persons just the same, right? I am saying no.
Okay. And I'm saying to you,
Talk no man, me I listen to you. Me stop talk.
Jesus. I'm saying to you,
Fabian, me I listen.
I don't have a problem for me not tell anybody again.
Finish? Fabian? All right.
Yeah, man, you can go ahead.
Because me not go in the back and forth. All me I say to you, whatever disagreement you have with your councillor or your MP currently, because I'm not even them, you just did not follow up, and nobody can blame anybody in the office for that reason, because change a person in the office, documents can go all over the place. Now, all I'm saying, it was your responsibility to follow up, knowing very well that you know that the person passed away, right? And there's somebody new in the office. You should have followed up. Follow up on the procedure. Now, here's what I'm saying. You see, after tonight, it's the first I'm hearing you. All I'm saying for going forward from tonight, please, me I beg you, and to anybody else that here that is listening, if you have any personal growth with an MP or a councillor, go and take it up with them. They have representatives, they have secretaries, they have people who walk around with them, right? Reach out to them, get a phone number, meet with them if you can, talk with them, solve the issue there and not on this platform. I beg, because this is not the place for it.
All right, can I say something to you now, sir?
Go ahead, Fabian. Go ahead.
You know what time me see lady working at office and I stop them and then I stop.
No, but Fabian,
when we go,
you don't stop people on road. You go to office.
Time.
You do not stop people on road.
You don't do business on road.
Stop.
You don't do business on road, Fabian.
You go to the office. Fabian, hold on. Let me share something with you. I go to Xavier office in Alexandria. And when I go to Xavier office, I put certain things on the decks. And Xavier never knew about it till the other day, and they are foreign, and I call him phone. And him call and never get him, and as he see me number and ring me back. And me get you. And right now, he might deal with what he deal with for me. You understand me? What me ask him to deal with. That is how you do it. But you see, when you sit down and I depend on area leader look over for him himself. Him not cares about you. You must reach to the member of parliament office and get a number for the member of parliament and call him and speak to the member of parliament directly or go to the office to him.
Who to tell you, the area leader don't get him money and not give? No, man. No, man. No,
we
man.
not say that, but you have area leader like that. But we not go say this one do it.
Them
Nobody
Yeah,
come.
but we're not
Boy.
gonna send,
No,
we're not gonna send
and then
you,
the
but
people that
I
them
got
talk
beg
when
for
you
you. I
yourself.
can
got
We
go,
can't tell you that.
when you
I
can go
beg you.
up front for yourself, Fabian, go up front and find the member of parliament, speak to him and tell him, say, you did agree your council a little time and Ray happen and you ask him to help you and assist you. Simple. You don't have to bring
So,
it to a
so,
platform and beg
so,
to him
so Fabian,
because of that.
you don't fix the car yet.
Nally, what I'm saying,
Okay.
of course, me fix my car. What I'm saying, if that gentleman was listening keenly, if he was listening keenly, what I was trying to say to him,
The bad road.
I was saying, because the
Okay.
road
Oh, is the
feel
bad
like
road
that
you
in that
blame? Oh.
manner, I'm not going to.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, and
You
that,
not
and that's
really
why
say
I'm
you
not
want
trying to
bad
tell him,
nothing,
man, but
just the road you want
he
to
not
fix.
understand. You know,
You
really
want some
understand.
attention. And so I was on the right track when
Yes,
me say,
like my
you
trying to
have
tell
to
him, but
wait
he
and give
not
little
listen
more
to
time. I
him.
was on the right track then,
Right.
and me did hear what you say.
Chill
That's
them
what
out
me
now.
trying to explain, but the
No,
gentleman
I'm not
feels to me
talking
come here
about
and
that.
make
How's
a
the road
problem.
plan?
Like my
Yeah,
trying to come here. If you was
him
listening,
never tell me say I want money from
I
anybody.
rode me.
So
And him
why,
No,
so
no one
why
him
man
muffled
said
and
it
One
sleep
not
like
second.
work back and it
1
would
second.
never.
so yeah,
You just say you
so
not
it's just
work
a
back.
bad road are your problem. All right.
1
You
minute.
want me I could tell you to do
And
Fabian.
the reason why I said, sir, the reason why I said that, the reason why I said I'm not working back, if you was listening, the reason I'm saying I'm not working back because of my work,
But
papa
you
have me
get
car
paid for your
muffler
work
through
and
the
your
bad road and
muffler
me
Maybe
not
come
do that
off, so
again.
you
Me
feel
not
lost
put me
it.
car through them to something
Beg you a
again.
minute, Plank. Hold on. Fabian, I was. No, man. Well, I
Me
no
not gonna talk
papa.
them something
No,
on ear.
no.
Who
Me
pay
not
you
Well,
gonna
I
do
no
the
ear
talk
and
papa.
the
ear
thing
and
me get
ear?
on ear.
Well, I no
On
papa.
the platform like this.
We
No,
not.
me not
This
do
is
that.
not an argument. Just hold on.
Sometimes
This is
it's to
not an
know here.
argument. I am saying to you, I heard you
Okay.
clearly. No, it is up to you if you want to work, yes or no. Right? Me hear what you say. Yes, you want road and all of that. Something come about the vehicle, and me only make a particular statement and say you should have that done. I'm done with that. Say yes.
Let's say something to your boss.
Well, no, Papa. What I
Listen,
want
a
to
reason we
ask
are reason
you,
enough, Fabian. We're not bashing, you
Okay.
know.
what
Right.
I want to ask you now, you know that the MP is working. If the MP should lose in the next coming election, do you think you will have somebody better to fix that road? That's a question to you, Fabian.
Yeah,
It
good
might me
question.
can this me know me general. Yeah man, but me I'll give you an answer. I give you an answer. Me talk already here, me go talk again. Me no say me not go vote.
You know, so you just say that.
My
Hold on,
vote.
Fabian,
Fabian,
one
My
point,
here.
Fabian.
hold on. Give me 1 minute. Fabian,
You don't know.
One day if you
Fabian,
hold on, you're going to get some
Hold
hold on,
on.
hold
money.
on,
About
hold
putting
on.
the money.
Listen.
Hold on,
Hold on.
1 minute. 1 minute, let me ask you
What are the
one
Nali?
question. 1 minute.
Nali, maybe don't say you just come on your attack. You just come on your attack. I'm telling you one thing.
Fabian.
What are
Hold on,
Jesus.
Fabian. Hold on.
Nali,
Fabian,
you just come on your attack. I'm telling
Fabian,
you this. Me a 46-year-old. I'm
Fabian,
18
hold
that
on,
go to
man.
labor right.
Hold on, listen me now, man. And me, you talk to. Listen me. You talk to
Yeah,
you.
man, go on, Nali.
Fabian,
Go on, Nali.
if the road get fixed,
Of course, me never
Well,
work.
all
But me
right,
not put the care upon
Simple that the
Fabian,
man has said. So you can't beat the man from the
Of course,
other.
me
Fabian,
never
You
work.
don't have to make him know say
Fabian.
you happen. All you have to do just patient. Just patient as me, I beg you, Fabian. Just give the MP a little more time in so reach to you, my brother. You hear me?
Nali,
Yeah.
Nali, me get all disrespect from Oris
Yeah,
Dali.
man, me know all of that. But Fabian, me just a
Too
beg
much
you. Me
time.
just a beg you.
Cause
The
the man
road going
attacking
to
that
fix
even
and you're going to get the road,
he
Fabian.
would
But
know
just give the MP a little more time. Give him a little bit more time. Because what? Everything can done one time. Because a government run the money. So he can't snatch him fingers. So please, When you give him another month, I'm giving till the end of March to the end of April. We get some work in place where you know new money are coming, our money will in more rapidly. Because budget just right, so Fabian, just lean in on him, please, and thanks.
All right, Nally.
Talk to people.
Nally, yeah, what me said before this. Me said, me not say now. Yeah, what I know?
Yeah.
All right, Nally. If you were listening, me not say now work. As you said before. But in my area, none at all.
No, but Fabian, I say you say right? You work. I'm telling you, so me say your road going to fix. You need to just call the MP, ask him which one of the program your road depend. That is why you do get your MP number, call him, ask him if it's a Sparks road depend. Get a number for him and call him directly. Don't go to nobody. When you're a runner,
I'm sorry, I'm just coming in. Who is your MP?
Sibbles.
Okay, and
so just get a number for the MP and call your MP.
Well, and then have you checked the Spark website?
Program you wrote upon.
Have you checked the Spark website to see if your area is on that list? I tell
you truth, miss. I tell you truth.
Yeah.
Me right down here, but me follow the program. Me follow Nally. Me follow Rusty, Chuck. Me really follow. You know, might not come on the program.
I'm not sure if you had heard, but I was asking about the Spark thing. I know my connection is a little bad. Have you checked the Spark website? Have you checked the Spark website and see if your constituency or your division is on the list? All right, do that for me, because if you're in the Provo State, they much of the patching program happening there if the Spark is gonna start there soon, because it makes no sense to waste the material now and then next month, 2 months time, you're digging it up to run pipe. So you won't really see much of the patching program happening up to run the website, and you know if it's a case where because you work out a lot, you're not really hearing from the others to know what is happening. But I figure as much that road is on the Spark thing. All right, Fabian.
It's a main road.
Issues with
yeah.
Right. So more than likely it's on the Spark list.
Okay.
You can just make a double check.
Okay.
All right.
And if you make a double check and you know find it, you can call the MP and talk to him.
Unlikely.
And work with nobody.
Yeah, man.
Work with your MP and your council, brother.
Yeah,
This is
the problem. Just because you're not work again and you're not tell nobody if you vote again. We never like the argument, the papa.
No, but as me say,
I'll get a road, man. Just start out to
hold on, my brother, hold on. As a real patriot, even if you know say you're gonna do that, keep it to yourself and God. You can't come. Keep it to yourself. Your MP,
party, yeah.
Party.
I don't know if it's platform because Fabian, people tape the live and then go and replay your cussing your party, so you have no way to say when you come.
No, me not cuss my party. No get you again, Nally. Me not cuss my party. No, because me love my party.
No, that's what they do. Then spin your words. Then we cut out and spin your words. What you say and post it. Say you say that. So it will caution everybody a caution you say you have to know when you say no. So when you come to the media and just cut it, don't talk out the full information what you have. Like the part where you say you not work. you know, if you talk that day, if you say, boy, you know, so around a little piece of bad road, and you don't mind if you see the MP can deal with it, with that sound better.
But Nally, you say jive funny, so you know what me I talk about.
Yeah, man, me see, that's why me can't beat you. Remember me ask you, you know, if you say some work, did I go and panny down from down what them call the place again, from upper roadside. From upper roadside going down, where then they go up, and me never know so wall, the curb wall did there.
Yeah, then
run the Margia was alive those times, so it look like a Margia did I do that for the road, get pay, sort out, and so then show some mall in the road, like, but remember we did have hurricane and all those things come in.
Yeah,
remember
man, no, let's...
The road, like,
yeah, man.
We have Jamaica Virgin.
Yeah, wreck Jamaica, so that's why me I ask you. And I say for your road the social media and don't go on no more social media comment and call your MP, get your MP number from somebody here a leader where you talk about, tell him to give your MP number and call me and find out when for your road has start. Because your MP will talk to you, you are a human being, and them your MP nowadays, they love listen to their constituents, brother.
Nally,
yeah,
you know me, and I like you know me, but we know really,
right.
You know me like
then if your boss know you're so good, man, you know, call my body up, man. Call my rough up, man, tell him all too clear too. But that's my politician name love, but don't talk about social.
Nally.
Yeah, your boss to certain things, you know? Just call him, man. No, me just tell you that. But some politicians so they stay. The man in constituents cause every day. But
that bless.
Yosh.
Tell which politics are the bad one. You want such man come about cut him 2 bucks. You man.
No, well on, Frank. All right, let me tell you something.
We're not going to the politician like that.
Frank, listen, me man. Me there will have a beer. And so Warmington pull up a will have a beer. My one little slim PMP man. Yo, big man. Me said that the two of them telling one another. You man say, only thing me not vote for right. Me a PMP, but me a vote for Warmington. Me laugh till me nearly dead down there, brother.
Well,
Nally said, no, it's a bad one, brother. It's two of them, you know.
Nally, it will be fight. It will be fight on that, so you see? To get Labor seat. You might not know.
Yeah, man, for your daddy run that
seat.
I carry enough labor, right, man. We don't really go on well because that me I tell them if we go on the page, you see the video on my post say the PMP should be embarrassed to win by 54 votes because of that the division was the strongest division. Enough labor I carry should be a member of parliament office. Right on the
corner. Well, around the family, Fiverr.
Right. Because me used to call school people. All right. Me don't know if you know why you named Dada. We come from around there.
Dada. Up James
Hill. You used to tell them that you got Alston School.
Oh.
One of them turned soldier. I want to see him and me a pen. Him and him brother. Yeah, man, I hold for you. Me can't go. We come from around there. Pen. So I feel burn. We want happy tree.
I know exactly what you're
yeah, man, so when me tell them the total already, because when them are cuss and I say JLP shouldn't lose, me tell them, I say, listen, my man, that the division there is the strongest division. It's just upset the boy, them upset with the council, with the PMP council. It's PMP council.
But around hard there.
Yeah, man, but we know but around.
Hard there.
You can run the butter pan for your supporter. Them come out because you don't have the amount of support. Right. Remember, you know, let me tell you a history over this if you want to know. The more farmer when parish council election run.
Right. And John Zal.
And they say most farmer can give away by Jack Smith. By Jack Smith.
Yeah.
So once Longbow people them, they pan farm work and margin. Them the man they pan farm work, you know say we fall short couple well. You understand me? And I see one girl a Sparling. I see one girl a Mandeville, the dear. before election. I said, where are you going? And well, serious.
Yeah, that's true. Come left and I go
them
vote.
take it serious because are then stronghold, so then couldn't. So if you have your stronghold for alright, when me tell them the last when Indian Town division used to come on when Paula run Indian Town. When Paula run Indian Town, the highest vote in an Indian Town division, JLP used to get a 500. When Indian Town division used to come, the highest vote. Me I tell lie. Had no that mean we make big improvement tonight. 1,000 had.
Right. A lady.
So that means so by this a year for done. And the young people them will come in if the lady were there when name Suzette, if she get out in the field and do the homework and doing things them, it will survive the next parish council election. Just like Martin.
I don't know. Martin, you know something I don't know. Me just go up, me just left and watch
keep that. Not that. You the homework just like that.
No upset like that.
That's why you don't know her. But when the election gets hot, you're going to meet everybody for you have to come up.
No, man,
and you have to
go
work because you have to get your road. And because of the hurricane and the bad road them. But now we are get back on track because everything come forward. So the government put 3 different programs in place to fix road. 3 projects in place to fix road. One of them name what you call one of them, me not talk about sparks, emergency. For sure you how the man want the road and fix up. He name emergency road work. Yeah. You understand me? So it's so reach you, man. Just a matter of time for you reach you because you know a contractor them to a whole heap of road contractor short right now. Because a whole heap of road are fixed brother all over the country. So you have to make contractor done with that one here. And when he done with that one here, he move on to that one here. And he move on to that one here because what? Everybody have fixed road now, so every equipment hold fixing road now. So you have to do it little by little, break by break, step by step. But I know Bagwell is in the picture. Bagwell, Fairburn in the picture because what? The sparkle and sparks through there, but you see, Fair Road, where you don't know about it, Fair Road for widen from straight down Chowtal,
right.
Runaway Bay. Where you know that was the project to start from below from Clarendon College. If you start from below this one continue right through, but what? The rain come and set back everything and we have to take money divert to other places to hurricane season and all them something there. More road damage now, so the money stretch, so that's why you don't get to know me on we already. But that was the project. Right now, Mike and JD.
If the road fix, Nally, when the road fix, we can't say yes. You understand?
I know if your road I can fix it, come in and me tell you, say, just give MP till 2 months more. 2 months more. And you will see, because it might start before that thing about me say, just give him 2 months more, just for things put in place and then get together and watch. Watch the highway where now get out there. Now get no patch road. And that the man them now want to do. Because out there so Bagwell Road. Let me tell you what. Them road now you have to put in retaining wall. You have to put in bridge. And them something there when you come right when you pass out where I come up we come Budgie Hill we come up a corner shop there so. One little flat down there where the road sink on the 2 sides. So you have to do this properly. So if you ever patch out the road, you still have to have it. So them just want to go through with one big project straight from outer where they call out this now. Key Valley out when you come at Key Valley where ball ground there's a bridge so then just want to take it this run straight there's so straight to down a Chowtal.
Yeah.
But them have to have the money to put all of the thing in place, run water, everything. That means they don't have to dig it up back again. So the pipeline not there. That is why they good at the weight pan. The pipeline for bury under the ground because the thing in place pan and it have damage back the road.
I have an idea what is it.
But the pipeline they old. So them have cut out the high-end pipeline there and put in plastic pipeline, so they don't want to fix a road. You understand? Put after come down the pipeline first, and then put on that after.
Nali, I try explain to you say most of pipeline on already.
Yeah, but the run come right down to down where the house there and the hill foot there, so but me I tell you say up the hill.
No man, it passed there so. It passed there so. I tell you say pass there so.
Go, yeah, where might be more there if you go further on and they want to do it, so they want just to do it on a one project. A $10 million in our budget, you know. To give water, you know, brother. $10 million, you know. To give water in our budget. So big man, water coming like flourish and road coming like flourish because of how much $1 billion the government have to spend to fix road. But we have to just wait and our budget's big and can just go and take up money. Me and you buy food and in collect a tax and put it together and put the work out in plan. That's how government thing run. Tax, run and build country. So if him could I get in budget $1.5 trillion. In budget $1.2 trillion. Trillion dollar. And him can just take 1 month and collect the 1.2. I know so it can run. A little by little tomorrow collect. You know, run when take 1 month, you read the budget and 1 trillion collect tomorrow. A little by little, more goods you buy, the more taxes pay up on them something there. That's how you come in little. You understand me? So that's why you have to send back out the money.
Yeah, man, I love that one. Tell them the boss, I was good.
Yeah, man. Well, yeah. Me tell you, you could get.
Man, the type of person.
I'll tell you get your road, man. Don't worry yourself. Y'all get your road, man. Just give a little more. Just give the MP.
Yeah,
just patient, brother. Everything coming to now, Clarendon. Clarendon going to be the best of the best. Or not just patient because you remember Mackay? You remember how Mackay road it stand? And as Bradrick winner the first road in fix. Mackay. You remember? So whole heap of road there, brother, where road the Barber Green I turn never touch them so the NBA neck. Everybody get a touch so till him ready for come on them because them they can't take time rock pan and galan, but you have somewhere be a dirt. Vehicle can't go up there and skid. And them the people are suffer and pay taxes for here. Right now you could have some have JUTC run from Key Valley to Brownstone, from Spalding to Key Valley. Two the man them set up the road them. The man them a build things to take JUTC, make everybody can have a franchise in their era, a bus in their era. You understand what I say? So just give them a little more patience, man, and give them and get in some money and get the work done because I know them mash up the road that God doing work, brother. And when God doing work, no man can stop him. And then can't beat him. So we can't beat poor little government and MP right now. We have to just pray for them and them mash up the road. Well, I bury the other, bury it, and when you bury it, what you do? You left your country in a debt. So that is what they don't want to do. If you have money ready for lend them and they don't want to because you have to put your country in a debt. So if we can wait and collect for liquor money and use it and do the work, it better for we. We debt free because look where we debt was 130% and now we debt gone 68% when March done. So we are come from far, we chop in a more than half. And when next year done, we're going to reach 50 and 108. So we are going well a budget where we make the country survive half I won. That means if Trump throw out everybody out of foreign and then come back to Jamaica, then can come back in a better country. One way them run well left in the 90s. Right. Understand me, Fabian?
You're messing out, Nally. You're messing out with General. Because you seem like you can't reason with. You can seem like you can't reason with. All right, sometimes I don't matter of say fix up road like that. But you see, all right, sometimes I don't matter of say, you see, some
Alright, Fabian, I could just let us agree and get to something else. We can't talk about the development and how the budget run right now. More you listen to the budget yesterday. So, Fabian, but just
Nale, Fabian Harris, you hear me I say? The EOJ, the just see the code, the EOJ asks the opposition for him birth certificate and John for him birth certificate. All that I got, Nale. Answer me. You say you see it?
yo, me know if you Andrew one
ready.
Where you saw it?
Me see it all I mean, look while Casco. Look while the EOJ asks
And the news?
both of them for them birth certificate. Yeah,
You
in
saw it
about
on the
Facebook
news?
and TikTok all over.
You saw it on the
Go
news?
search it, Nale. Casco, yeah.
Mark, nobody with the
Them
propaganda.
is not about it,
The
EOJ.
and Warmington Acts and I
Them birth certificate.
you know come over news.
But if you present them birth certificate, give it to
Dalvas and Warmington acts about it. Sunday gone.
me know that.
But the electoral office didn't ask for it.
Alright,
Alright,
Fabian, stay
come
positive.
back anytime the road start to come back, come make we know. Yes, sir, give me 2 months and 1.5
Are you, Mark, I feel
But-
background so much bad with that cost.
Nah, man.
Okay.
Plank. But you may say, Fabian I can't feel. Fabian I can't feel his brother. Me don't like to talk to Fabian medical wise.
Don't rise
Rest
it
of the
back. Don't rise it back. You know,
Mark.
we settle it. Don't rise it back. We don't want to don't rise it back. We settle it and left it.
Rest it.
Don't rise it
Yeah.
back. Now, see me and the man reason I'm settle and left it, man. I'm here chat the man to go different. Rise it
Yeah.
back.
The thing is this is just that we need to get information before coming out and jumping to conclusion, right? And that is what Nali said to him. Go to your member of parliament and even
Yeah, I second the argument.
West Central St. James City. Go to the office, have the conversation with the member of parliament or the respective
Or
person
call
in
the
the
member of
office.
parliament. Not
Right?
bother.
Don't jump to conclusion because and listen, communication is key, you know, guys. Communication is key.
Yeah.
The possibility
And some of
that
the people them
persons
have
in
to
the
every communicate
constituency.
to the people them not do it.
Yeah, no, it's a possibility that others know the reason, but as he said, he works out. So maybe by the time him
Right.
come in,
don't
nobody
know
no member
about
to
one.
share them the information.
People them not. That's why I tell them so when you get in research, if we come back and make we know because we know say by the week we done because nobody listen to that program here, you know. So up to Mr. Sybil's good I call him and say know him well. Or call somebody up there and him will get information when he road that can start. That's why you said to.
Yeah. But you may say, Nale.
But we don't know what's
say,
up now for road.
Yeah.
Them they don't want to fix the road if water line not complete. Getting go from backward go to certain part line there and them want put in plastic.
Old pipeline.
So the run come right under
Yeah.
his and he put a corner shop there so and then the run gone out to Kiati Hill going out to the prime.
But Nale.
Run gone down
Nale.
to Chowtal yet. You not done no wheel yet.
Yeah. Yeah, listen, Christmas we drive through them. From drive from Falmouth to Manchester. In December there, it come to Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve day. I'm drive from Falmouth, we drive to Trelawny, Manchester. And somebody road them really bad and all I road them bad still from drive to Ian town come on long hill, so one long hill. We bust him could have go up on long hill when they come. Yeah. It's when brownstone, you know, a long hill, you can't beat a long hill.
St. Andrews, brother.
St. Anne, yeah. The border there, so I mean, I tell you, say, brother, some of the road them really bad in that, but also in my talk from a brownstone.